Hello guys, welcome back to Worth Collectible. I'm really excited today. I've been looking forward to opening this for some time. I've had it a couple of weeks now, but due to work and that, not been able to open it. So here we have the top Star Wars Galaxy Chrome 2025 trading cards. Look at the artwork on the box. Sick artwork there. I think you get 18 packs in here. And looking at the box, you get 4 chrome parallels guaranteed per box. So let's get straight into it then. Yeah, due to work and that, and work commitments and stuff like that, I've just not had no time over Christmas and that to get it open. So really excited to see what this box is. I've watched other people opening it, so it's not as if it's all new to me. I've seen some of the hits and that, what you can get. So you get 18 packs. Hoping to get some good hits. So maybe a sketch card or something like that. That'd be great. So if we just get all the packs out, well, we'll just look at one of the packs at the moment. Artwork on this is really good. Get all the packs out. Like I say, there should be 18 packs. We should be guaranteed 4 chrome parallels. The base set is 100 cards, so it's quite a small base set. Let's get straight into it then. Hope everyone's had a good Christmas. Looking forward to the new year. And there we have Wanda Cody. Base card, I think. Yeah, captain on the 501st. Commander Cody. No, is it Cody or Rex? No, it's actually Rex, isn't it? Yeah, Captain. Yeah, Rex, not Cody. Cody's Ahsoka. Oh, look at this. It's a really nice card here. Shadow of Evil. Darth Vader's flagship. Nice. There's a stormtrooper. Power in numbers. Then we've got the Rancorn. It's a nice card. Brings back so many memories. I need to go back and watch the films again. Oh, second pack. Oh, look at this. Nice image there. Plo Koon. It's nice. And we have Boba Fett. The artwork is just absolutely amazing on these cards. Hats off to them. Oh, for this, see how it sparkles. I think it's cracked ice, this one. Sick card. The dual 107 out of 150. Let's leave that one off. And then we've also got a nice scene there. Tatooine. And refractor. Let's leave that refractor off. I will sleeve everything up. That's one of the refractors. So guys, many people open this. Yeah. Like I said, I've ordered 2 boxes, so I'm going to open this first one on this one. So we've got Gregor. Gimme. Admiral Petty, all the Stormies. That's a lovely image there. The Kyber Crystal. And we've got the Millennium Falcon being chased by the TIE fighters. And the Refractor, the Falcon on Craigie. Just open the pack. See what we get. And then we have a lovely image there. Learning the Force. The X-Wing coming out of the water, out the sea, hidden. Oh, this is a nice image there. Obsession. That's nice. Oh, these are like the manga ones. They look quite good. Battle on the Lava River. That's nice. The manga. And the last card. Darth Maul. Obi-Wan. Just before Obi-Wan strikes Darth Maul down. Is that Refractor? No. Oh, next back. Yeah, I've seen some really nice artwork on these. The next card is Count Dooku. Nice. Oh, this is a nice one. Kylo Ren. That is lovely artwork. Oh, and we've got Mini Diamond next. The First Order. After Kylo Ren look at the mantle of the Supreme Leader. And we've got the Mini Diamond and the Scout Troopers. Darth there up on the top right. And that is just a Mini Diamond. It's one of the inserts. And then we've got Leia and Luke. C-3PO. Separated at birth. That little Mini Diamond will sleeve up. It's not numbered, but it's nice. So what are your thoughts on this set then? Has anybody been able to afford to open it? Get any for Christmas? Oh, look at that battle scene there. Luke and Darth Vader. That is nice. Confrontation. Oh, this, look at that. So nice. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Wow. Oh, this is nice with Darth. The AT-AT has been taken down. And the X-Wing taken off. Narrow escape. And the last card of this pack. Look at that. Darth Bane. Nice. Oh, this is from the Clone Wars. Ahsoka. Anakin. That's nice. There's Luke. And looks like we've got a Mini Diamond coming up. Luke Skywalker. Oh, that's nice. Mini Diamond. And the Ewoks join the fight. Wicked and R2-D2. And then a Refractor. Looks like a Refractor. That is nice. Ahsoka and Rex. Or is it Shattered? Captain Rex of the 501st. Nice. So we've got that mini diamond to sleeve up. So we've had a cracked ice and a mini diamond. And then 2 mini diamonds, sorry, and a cracked ice. Kylo Ren. Into the next pack. That is a nice artwork. The clones. Lovely. Next card. Quite a mixed people there. The Fall of the Jedi. That's nice. Another space one. The X-Wing. Going to Dagobah. Nice. Oh, look at this image. I don't know whether you can see it on the camera, but the eyes are like blue. It's a refractor. Nice. Yeah, I've been so looking forward to this, waiting to open these. What we got? There's Luke and Ahsoka. That must be some training one, is it? I will teach you to protect yourself. You got an escape, Millennium Falcon. In the docking bay. There's that one to Tatooine. Is that the Millennium Falcon? Is that the Death Star in? Yeah, Tatooine. And then the last card for this pack is not the Stormtroopers, the Scout Troopers. And the checkpoint. Nice. Yeah, like I say, 18 packs. Oh, there we go, the box art. That is lovely. Glad I got that card. What remains? Nice. There we go, there's a Mandalorian. Wizard. Then we've got Mace Windu jumping in there with his lightsaber. Then we've got another manga style card. Is this on the refractor? No. Mustafar Rain. Nice. Here we have another Mandalorian. And Boba in the background. I've got your back. There's a nice image of Darth Maul. Usper. Is that different? And we've got another mini diamond. The Jedi temples. The interceptors. And we've got Han Solo, Leia, New Visions, refractor. Nice. A few more packs left. Nice hits so far. Still looking for 2 more numbered, I think. There we go, the clones. Surprise clankers. Oh, sorry, surprise clankers. And then we've got Chewie and Han Solo being chained up. And we got the girls. Throughout the ages. And then we got, I don't really know the Skeleton Crew. We've got a original art Skeleton Crew puzzle card. Oh, interesting. Not seen one of them pulled. From 2025 Top Star Wars Chrome Galaxy. It's not a signature or anything like that, but I'll take it. I'll sleeve it. There we go. Next pack. Again, the TIE Fighters chasing the X-Wing. Trench Run. And then we've got, is that TIE Fighter? Oh, oh. Oh, we might have something here, guys. We've got a very thick card. X-Wing and Death Star. That is lovely. Well, you probably guessed it by what we got here. Ahsoka artwork. A signature. The Force with you. An authentic sketch card of Ahsoka. That is nice. Sleeve that up. Messing about, we'll sleeve it. Get it in a top loader. There we have it. Let's get a nice sketch card. An autograph. It's so nice. Right, I'll put that in there. Just bring the cards forward. You can see that sketch card there. Put Ahsoka there. Still got 5 more packs. Good opening. First card we got now is a Millennium Falcon. Friendly Ambush. And then we have the Mandalorians protecting Grogu. And the Mandalorian. Then we've got a numbered hit for the AT-AT. Out of 175121 AT-AT. Nice. And then we've got Darth with all these stormtroopers as a refractor, dark entrance. Let's leave both of them up. Oops. There we go. Let's leave the refractor. Oh no, that's a numbered hit. The AT-AT. And then we've also got Darth and Stormtroopers on the refractor. So we've got four packs left, guys. Hope you're enjoying this box opening. Feeling a bit tired today, so might not be as enthusiastic as normal, but we'll get there. Right, we've got Darth and Leia and R2-D2. Our most desperate hour. And looks like we've got another hit. We've got on the refractor. Qui-Gon Jinn. The refractor. And then is this a red? Out of 25 out of 25, a bookend trench run. Nice. leave that as our third hit to the box. 21, and then we'll sleeve the refractor too. There we go. 3 more packs left. So it looks like we've got a refractor on the back of this one. So there's not the can't remember what that's called now. Not the desk. No, B-wing starfighters. That's a Wanderer. And then we've got on the back of the refractor, we've got Luke as a refractor, and then the Wanderer, and then we've got the Stranger. And there's like a shimmer across that. The Stranger, that is out of 199. Get that sleeved up. Then we'll get the refractor sleeve too. What a great box opening this has been. That's 2 packs. So we've got the Mandalorian on his speeder. Marshal of Mos Melego. And we've got Princess Leia. Is that no? Until Our Last Breath. With a lightsaber. Oh, look at that. It's nice. Protecting Hope. And then also we've got Wedge Antilles. Alright, last pack magic. So we've got R2-D2 and C-3PO and the Ewoks. And this is the one where they join in the battle. The Ewoks join the fight. Now we've got You Were My Brother. And then we've also got Going In the squadron picture. And then we've got, no, it's not a refractor, Darth Vader Observes. Darth Vader Observes. So that's the last pack there. So just have a look at the hits, what we got. So we've got the trench run, a bookend, 25 out of 25. Got the AT-AT, 121 out of 175. Also got this, I don't know whether it's a hit or not, the original Art Skeleton Crew puzzle card. Not seen many of them pulled, so I'll take it as a hit. And we've also got the Stranger at a 199. And then we've got Kylo Ren on the, I think that's a Cracked Ice on a 107 out of 150. Sick. And then we've pulled ourselves a sketch card of Ahsoka. Nice auto. Right guys, thank you very much. Look out for the next video where we're opening another box of Star Wars Galaxy. Till then, take care. I'll see you later.